Good morning students. This is ET faculty Mahesh from TSWRS JC Boys Devarkadra, Mahbubnagar district. Today in our electrical technician course we are going to study about paper 1, that is electrical machines and power systems. In this we have already started our first unit, DC generator. In previous class we have discussed about EMF equation. Okay, here it is EMF, this is EMF equation. You have to remember this formula for our problems. To solve the problems we have to remember this formula. Eg is equal to phi p zn by 60A. For wave winding A is equal to 2, for lap winding A is equal to P. Okay, next in today's topic we are going to deal with one problem, that is first problem. A 4-pole generator having a simplex wave wound armature has 51 slots, each slot containing 20 conductors. What will be the voltage generated in the machine when driven at 1500 rpm, assuming the flux per pole to be 7.0 milliwebers? Okay, he said that it is a 4-pole generator, number of poles P is equal to 4. Okay, and it is also said that simplex wave wound armature, wave wound, for wave wound number of parallel paths will be 2, so A is equal to 2, and mentioned that armature has 51 slots and also each slot containing 20 conductors. So here Z is equal to number of slots into number of conductors, that is 51 into 20. Z is equal to 51 into 20, and he asked that what will be the voltage generator, that is what will be the EMF induced. Eg is equal to how much? Okay, voltage generated in the machine when driven at 1500 rpm, and he mentioned that speed n is equal to 1500 rpm, and also given that flux per pole to be 7.0 milliweber, that is phi is equal to 7.0 milliweber. Let's find the solution for this problem. Okay, from the above problem, given data is, he mentioned that it's a 4-pole generator, so P is equal to 4. Then it is a simplex wave wound, so for wave winding A is equal to 2, that is number of parallel paths is equal to 2, and also mentioned that 51 slots and 20 conductors. Okay, so number of conductors here becomes Z is equal to number of slots into number of conductors. So Z is equal to 51 into 20, that is equal to 1020 conductors. Then mentioned that speed n is equal to 1500 rpm, and also mentioned flux per pole phi equal to 7.0 milliwebers, that can be written as 7 by 1000 webers. We are writing milli is equal to 1 by 1000. Okay, and the required equation EMF generated Eg is equal to phi ZNP by 60 into A. So substituting above factors in this formula, we can get 7 by 1000 into 1020, 1500 into 4 by 60 into 2. By cancelling zeros from the above equation, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s 2 30s, and 15 1s 15 2s are, next it's over 51. So overall the answer is 357 volts. The EMF generated, the voltage generated is equal to 357 volts. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay. First problem is clear now. Now I am giving you an assignment. This is assignment problem. An 8-pole DC generator, 960 conductors and a flux per pole of 20 milliwebers running at 500 rpm. Calculate the EMF generated when the armature is connected as a lap winding and also wave winding. You have to calculate EG. EG is equal to 5ZNP by 60. Okay, you have to calculate EG for lap winding and also for wave winding. Okay. From next class, we are going to study about classification of DC generator. Students, if you have any doubts regarding today's topic and today's problem, you please comment below this video so that I can give you total clarity. Okay. Thanks for watching today's class.